Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel. Thanks for encouraging me to do more videos on car tips. There's a myth in everyone, if the car is heavy, it is safe. It was in the olden days. But today, the companies are reducing the weights of the car day by day by increasing the best designs, using high strength steel, and the chassis are made effectively designed for better stability on the road and better collision impact. For example, if you talk to a person and say he's strong, it is told that his bones are strong. Same way, today we can compare the latest technology used in cars with high density steel, and they use staplings and laser cutting and laser staplings. So where before they used to do welding, now they are doing laser cutting and laser stapling. So the weight is reduced, but the car is safer and stronger and with greater stability. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.